Another home game, another battle in the blazing sunshine. Union Puerto entertained Atletico Tacaronte from Tenerife, initially going easy on their guests. However, the ref wasn't in a leisurely mood, penalising Tacaronte's keeper for time wasting and handing the floor to Puerto with a free kick on the edge of the area. 17 minutes in, they got down to business. Tacaronte's counter-offer was swift, but lacked that attacking Puerto punch. Nevertheless, the visitors were slowly finding cracks in the defence and exploiting them. One slippery hopeful ball was enough to claw back the equaliser. With their feathers ruffled, Puerto were no longer the nice guys. As the action heated up, they needed to keep their cool, but seemed to get ahead of themselves. Trying their luck at long shots wasn't working like it did for the opposition and left many scratching their heads at half-time. Mixing it up seemed the obvious way forward into the second half for Puerto, their coach having a habit for doing this of late. Some scrappy play from both sides suggested that the change was needed to break the deadlock. True to form, Puerto's talisman from 2 weeks before was brought on in the 72nd minute. By that time though, their defence had weakened once again. And a gaping hole gave Tacaronte their second goal. To Union Puerto's credit, they attempted a composed comeback, but several nice build-ups still couldn't break through the visitors, even with another substitution. A last-ditch effort made agonising viewing for Puerto fans. The post was as close as it got. Out of ideas and out of time for today, the hosts were left with work to do in the coming weeks. The brilliance is frequently there, but it all needs some tidying up. Final score: Union Puerto 1, Atletico Tacaronte 2.